Hi, this is Ann at the Pocono Mountain Public Library. We finally got a shipment of new books in. It's February 24th, so we're really excited. And hopefully next week we'll have them all cataloged and ready to go. We got a new book by Angie Thomas. She's also the author of The Hate You Give. It's called Concrete Rose. This is a nonfiction book by Sarah Wilson. It's called This One Wild and Precious Life.
I'm going to bring it closer here because the light was reflecting off of the cover. There we go. I can see it a little better.
This one's really good for right now. Ina Garten's Modern Comfort Food.
There we go.
There we go. I know I've been doing a lot of cooking the past year. Let's see. Here's something Jay Shetty. Think like a monk. Nonfiction. Train your mind for peace and purpose every day.
We need peace and purpose.
We need peace and purpose. Oh, here's something fun for everybody who likes to learn these things. It's a pocket constitution of the United States.
Fantastic.
So people can look that up and read it if they want to really know what's going on. Here's new fiction, John Hart, The Unwilling.
He is. I heard that he's really good. One patron was talking about him.
Yeah, we have some requests for that book already. And, okay. Let's see, this is also nonfiction. Limitless. Upgrade your brain, learn anything faster, and unlock your exceptional life.
Oh.
Jim Quick.
Nice.
Yes, we all need some help unlocking our lives these days. Here is fiction, looks like a historical romance called The Yellow Wife by Sadiqa Johnson. Uh-oh, James Patterson. Da-da-da. Three Women Disappear.
3 Women Disappear.
What will we do without James Patterson? Okay, here's another, it looks like a fiction, kind of Italian history, Our Darkest Night.
Oh.
And this is placed in Italy during the Second World War.
Oh, fascinating.
Yeah, Jennifer Robson. We have something for the young people. I Survived the California Wildfires 2018
Wow.
by Lauren Tarshish.
Kids have been asking about that one.
Okay, here's another young person's book, Cat Kid Comic Club by Dave Pilkey.
That's the same person who does Dog
Dogman.
Man and Captain Underpants.
Captain Underpants. Yeah, we have all of them
Yes.
now. So anyone who wants those, give us a call. Here is a fun fiction, Siri, Who Am I? that we just ordered. Trade paperback. This is Cheetah. Sam Cheetah. So, here's another fun fiction, Enjoy the View
All right.
by Sarah, Morgan Thaler. A grouchy mountaineer, a Hollywood starlet, and miles of untamed wilderness. What could possibly happen? Okay. This is another nonfiction, Tiny Changes, Remarkable Results, Atomic Habits
A lot of people have been
by
asking
James
about this
Clear.
one.
Yeah, so we got that one here. We got to get all these processed here real quick. The new Sister Souljah, Life After Death.
That's already on hold. Somebody requested
We
that
already
too.
have that on hold.
I think did you get a second copy of it too?
I think I ordered 2 copies because
Yeah.
they're pretty popular.
Yeah, Sister Souljah is pretty popular. She
And
hasn't-
we always appreciate when people return them.
yeah, she's very popular.
Okay, we have another fiction, T.A. Wilberg, Marion Lane and the Midnight Murder. This is like a new fiction mystery writer person. Oh, J.A. Jance, Missing and Endangered.
Excellent.
Bestseller. Fun fiction. This one's called Shipped by Angie Hockman. Let's see. The Unhoneymooners meets The Hating Game in this clever romantic comedy following a marketing manager who is forced to go on a cruise with her arch nemesis when they're up for the same promotion. Sounds like fun. Oh, here is nonfiction. Me and White Supremacy Combat Racism, Change the World, and Become a Good Ancestor by Layla Said. And here's another. Okay, this is a memoir, so it's nonfiction. Aftershocks by Nadia Owusu. This one I think is kind of recommended award-winning. Let's see. I don't know exactly what it's about. It's a delicate, intricate choreography of a memoir of all the people, I believe, in her life. So that one's pretty good. It's highly recommended. This one's a fun fiction recommendation. Black Buck, a novel by Matteo Ascarapur. And the tagline is, "There's nothing like a black salesman on a mission." This is supposed to be like a fun fiction type thing with some dark humor. So everyone likes those. And here is another kind of thriller, Pretty Little Wife by Darby Kane. It says there's more than one way to end a marriage.
Okay.
Okay, here's some romantic type sexy stuff. Not My Match by Ilsa Madden Mills.
Dude, where's my shirt?
Dude, where's my shirt? Those were very popular during the pandemic. And then another fiction, Taryn Fisher, The Wrong Family. It looks like a kind of a thriller type thing. So,
Maybe an up-and-coming suspense writer.
yeah,
Mystery and suspense.
people love their thrillers. Oh, another Sister Souljah.
sent us
I guess
another.
they ordered 3 by accident. I don't know.
Okay.
Well, we have, maybe they were sent us an extra one.
We have plenty of Sister
We
Souljah
have plenty.
books.
Maybe we should do that for a book club.
Yeah.
All right. Well, so we actually just started with this vendor, so we have to get these all stickered and processed. In the future, they will all come to us stickered and processed, but I wanted to get a head start on this order, so we will get these processed and start getting them out next week at the beginning of March. So if you're interested in one of our new items, call us and make an appointment to browse the new fiction that we have set out in the Library Cafe. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.